Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to uninstall Windows 11 updates or Windows 10 updates. The process is pretty simple. So what you need to do is just go inside your let's just click on this Windows button from your taskbar and go inside the settings. If you don't see it here, you can just simply search it settings and you will see the settings. So just go inside settings. And once you're inside the settings, so from the left side you will see multiple options. So just scroll down and go to the option called apps. Inside the apps you will see multiple options. So you need to choose this option which is called advanced app setting. Click on it. And once you're inside the advanced app setting, you will see all these options. Just skip it. And inside the related settings section, you will see this one like how to install a program. And the second one is uninstall updates. Just click on uninstall updates, and inside this you will see all the installed updates recently. So once you see all the updates that are installed recently, as you can see 7 updates found, so you can select the update that has been recently installed, click on uninstall button, and it will confirm it from you that you really want to uninstall it. So you can select the uninstall. If you want to uninstall all of them or any one of them, you can do it simply from here. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.